next Rhino Grasshopper plugin that I want to talk about are the Ladybug tools. And this is a website which talks about those tools. They're a whole set of environmental design tools that are related to energy, airflow, thermal comfort, a lot of quantification steps that you can use this platform for on Rhino models themselves. So on this website, you can see that there are different attributes of the Ladybug tool set. The first being that they're connected to simulation engines that have been validated, that have been built up by the user community, including Energy Plus, including Radiance, and some of these others that are relating to lighting and CFD and other things like that. It's open source, so these tools were developed by a team of people who have open sourced them to the community, and they're written in Python. So you can go in and you can actually see the source code. In fact, if we open the link to the source code, you'll notice that it's hosted on a website called GitHub. Each of these items are a code repository of Python code itself, and includes dependencies and installation and sort of examples of how to use them. And it's all open, so you can really see what's on the inside. And that also means that if you learn how to code in Python, that you can add to these tools. You can become part of this team. You can build upon the work that's been done, and which is basically how a lot of these tools have been developed over the years. So there's 4 different main tools: Ladybug, Honeybee, Butterfly, Dragonfly. And to get an understanding of how these tools interact with each other, there's kind of a hierarchy here where you can see how the different tools relate to different objectives in the analysis of buildings in the design phase. So you have the connection to Radiance through Honeybee, which is a lighting software. You have the connection through Butterfly to different parts of the energy modeling process. There's an analysis of psychometrics, of renewables, the data visualization. So there's all kinds of different things that you can use this platform for. There's lots of different partners, mostly universities from around the world, that are investing in this tool set, including MIT, Georgia Tech, various other universities around the world, and a whole bunch of real companies of consulting and full service design firms, in schools, architecture schools, etc., that are using these tools. So it's the community, the building industry, especially the design community, through the development of programming skills and through open source projects like this, have already begun to create some really usable platforms and tools that can be used in the design phase of buildings.